Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is beg the question. Beg the question, which means assume the truth of matter that is in question, or to take for granted the very thing that requires to be proved. इसको हम उर्दू में सबूत तलब बात को साबित किए बगैर सच समझ बैठना, यानी कि कोई चीज़ का सबूत देखे बगैर जो है वो किसी बात को मान लेना या समझ जाना कि यही सच है. सो दैट इज़ समवन इज़ बेगिंग द क्वेश्चन. To say of anyone that he could not steal because he was honest is to beg the question. यानी किसी के बारे में कहना कि उसने चोरी नहीं की होगी क्योंकि वो ऑनेस्ट था, तो ये ज़रा सबूत के बगैर बात कहना है. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression to beg the question. Here is another sentence. Some definitions of mental illness beg the question of what constitutes normal behavior. So once again we have used here beg the question.